let's make a dress out of these stars. And a gold one covered with swirls. Let us wrap them around herself. She could hardly believe what she was as she looked at her reflection in the mirror. There's one thing wrong, Mrs. Ella's friend. It just hasn't got any sense. How can she stay in bed? But the smallest girl said shyly, my lucky mascot is a tiny pair of skates. And they look just the right size. Shivering with excitement, let us try them on. And they got At last it was time for the festival to start. The music was playing and Ella began to dance. It was so graceful. Her friends joined in and gently they tugged Lettuce after her. Ella's friend proudly carried the shining tiara to crown the Ice Princess. All of a sudden she skated over along the ice and slipped. Everyone shrieked in horror as the tiara flew through the air and rolled towards the bank. Lettuce didn't stop to think. Like a flash she was off, whizzing over the ice. The glittering tiara had disappeared into the bushes, but in no time Lettuce was there, burrowing through the snow. The children roared for joy as Lettuce reappeared, snowy but triumphant. Ella couldn't stop beaming with happiness as she was crowned Ice Princess. She took off her bracelet of silver stars and slipped it over Lettuce's ear, saying, now you're a princess too. Then Lettuce danced all by herself in front of the Ice Princess. It was growing darker, and her starry crown twinkled in the lights of the colored lanterns as she leaped and swayed to the music. Soon it was time for the children to go home, and they said Lettuce could borrow Mickey skates to share with the family. But you can keep my bracelet forever, said Ella, hugging her. Lettuce was still in a whirl when she got home. Come outside, she cried. Her little sisters and brothers peeped out and were very excited. Lettuce is all starry like a princess, they giggled. The moon shone large and silver over the water. The rabbits raced down to play on the ice. I'm the luckiest rabbit alive, sighed Lettuce, and she showed them the dance of the Ice Princess. And that one was called Lettuce the Ice Princess. Wasn't it lovely that Lettuce danced on the ice in a pair of skates? I love dancing just like that, but since the moon is shining,